So yun guys, may nagtatanong kung pwede nga ba mag-apply sa PNPA o Philippine National Police Academy yung college level. Ito po yung tanong ni Sir Art Lester Onarce Istorgio. Pwede nga bang mag-apply sa PNPA yung college level? Ang sagot po is yes. Basta po hindi ka po susobra sa edad na 22 years old. The minimum age na pwede mag-apply sa PNPA o Philippine National Police Academy is 18 years old and not more than 22 years old. At ito yung mga qualification sa pag-apply sa Philippine National Police Academy. At ito yung mga sumusunod. Dapat natural Filipino-born citizen ka. It must be 18 years old and not more than 22 years old. At least senior high graduate, single, and no parental obligation. Minimum height sa lalaki is 5'2", and minimum height sa babae is 5 flat. And syempre dapat normal yung BMI mo nakabase sa timbang at sa kasarian mo. Physically fit and mentally fit to undergo the training with good moral character and not have been convicted any criminal, administrative and civil cases. No pending complaint in or cases involving moral turpitude or crimes against the state. And syempre, and must not a former cadet of PNPA and other service academies. And last but not the least, never been dismissed any private employment or government position for a cause. So yun lang guys, sana nasagot ko. Ingat and God bless. Pag-igihan nyo para makapasok kayo. Soon, see you in service. Bye-bye.